Hi, welcome to Study Abroad Agriculture, and in this short video we will be talking about the integrated plant and animal breeding program, which is offered by the one of the renowned German public university, the George August University of Göttingen. So first try to understand the overall of this program. So this program is a integrated and inclusive program which is covering the plant breeding and also the animal breeding at the same time. So the student can choose either plant breeding specialization or can choose the animal breeding. So most of the time it is based on their academic background. So if somebody has completed bachelor in agriculture and in relevant subject, so most probably they will be going for the plant breeding track. And who has completed bachelor in some like animal husbandry or some relevant, so they will be going for the animal breeding track, specialization track. But both of these like students will from the different elective tracks or specialization area will be also gaining the information of other areas also. So suppose that you are choosing the plant breeding track or elective track, so then you will be also getting the basic information and basic knowledge of the animal breeding, and same the animal breeding student will be also getting the basic and some elementary knowledge about the plant breeding. So in this way, we can say it's a bit unique than the other programs, and the deadline for this program is the 15th February, and you must have completed bachelor degree, and you cannot apply if you are in the fourth year. So you must have the bachelor degree and transcript to apply for this program. And second thing, you must have the B2 level in English language and also the official certificate for that. So medium of instruction or some exemption led from the university cannot play that role. You have to have appear for the IELTS or TOEFL or some similar exams, and need to provide the certificate for that. So that's about this eligibility of this program. And one more thing which I wanted to emphasize why this program is unique. So because this is covering animal breeding and plant breeding at same time. So suppose there is a project from the government and which is targeting the augmentation of the farmers, small and marginal farmers income. So they are taking both components. So they are taking like animal and also the plant breeding component, because we know that small and marginal are mainly rely on like integrated means. So they are not just only going for either for the agronomy and or for the animal husbandry. So they are taking integrated means. So they may be having some crops, some horticultural crops, and then they are also having some animal husbandry there, and so they have different means actually to survive them for survival and to support their livelihood basket. So in such a area, so if a person who has expertise in one area and have basic knowledge of other area can contribute more actually as compared to the person who has just expertise in single area and does not have a basic of the other area. So this makes this program integrated, inclusive, and also the unique than the other program. So yeah, definitely if you're looking for future in plant breeding or in animal breeding, definitely you should apply for this program. And this is from the German public university, so you know that you are not going to pay any tuition fees for it, and the deadline for this program is 15 February every year. If you are looking for support for the application or admission to this program and also to the other programs available in German public university, especially in agriculture and forestry related subjects, you can definitely contact us, and the link is given in the description for one-to-one session. So please click on the link and book your one-to-one session. Thank you.